Morning all, Patrick Kramer here. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. We're out of lockdown. Yes, I had to put the spectacles on today. Getting old. And we're going to eat a traditional Sri Lankan meal. Pork curry, cashew curry. And also going to have some bitter lemon, fried bitter lemon. I know a lot of the Asian people eat it, looking forward to it. We're going to eat it with a biryani type rice, I'm getting hungry, I'm looking forward. Hi guys, before we start, please like and subscribe to watch future content like this. Thank you. Hi guys, well I got my meal in front of me. I got my pork curry, look at that, yum. My biryani type rice and my cashew vegetable and my bitter lemon. So I'm gonna dish this up, and thank you for Leonie for cooking that for us. Good family friend. And I'm gonna eat it traditional way with my hands. Hope I don't make a mess of it, but let's give it a shot. Let's see how it turns out. Oh, smells awesome. And have a look at that. You know, it's pork curry, the cashews, the bitter lemon, and the biryani type rice. Well, I'm doing it. I've been told that I've got to eat it, the traditional Sri Lankan way, which is with my hands. So here goes. I've had a few lessons. Shit, it's bloody hot. So meant to mix it all together. Sort of scoop it into your mouth. Oh, yum. So I've got a little bit of the rice and the biryani together. My God, this is awesome. The pork is cooked really tender. The flavour and the aroma is just awesome. Now the bitter lemon, I know it lives up to its name. It is bitter, but it's still nice. And I think if you combine it with the rice and the pork and a little bit of the cashew, it tastes even better. Actually, eating with your hands is not too bad. I had one of my viewers who commented and said, if you're eating Sri Lankan food, you gotta eat it with your hands. It's just authentic to eat with your hands. So, I'm giving it a go. As you can see, I've got more here, but I don't think I'm allowed to eat all that. There's another person in the house that's eyeing off all this food. Listen, this is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I've switched to a spoon because I couldn't get big enough scoops into my mouth with my hands. It's easier with a spoon. I think spoon or eating with your hands or whatever it is, if it's all cooked well, it tastes nice, hey, whatever. If I can only share this with you, it smells awesome. Absolutely awesome. Yum. That out. Purchased a packet from a takeaway shop. It was nice, but my God, this is next level with taste wise. Next level. Awesome. Well, it's spicy. My nose is running a little bit, but I'm not complaining. It's awesome. The bitter lemon, it has got a little bit of a bitter taste to it, but no, it's still really enjoyable, really tasty. So guys, if you haven't tried Sri Lankan food, get out there and try it. It's awesome, good variety, and you won't regret it. And especially if you like hot, spicy food, this is a go. If you don't, well, you're missing out. I almost don't want this to end. Sadly, it's my last bite. Done. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. And, oh, my nose is running. Look forward to seeing you again next time. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for future content. Thank you again. Ciao for now.